Well, hi everyone. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 오하요 고자이마스. Hope you all had a good weekend. And yeah, welcome to the chats. So, the psychology tip or nugget is: be mindful of your position size. Avoid risking too much of your capital on a single trade. Interesting there. So, moving into the charts, we're seeing the market has closed below the equilibrium of this OB over here, meaning that there's a likelihood of this market continue pushing lower and lower, as from Friday we formed this supply area or this level. And yeah, today I'm seeing the market to be a little bit bullish, so as to close this fair value gap, but we'll have to wait and see. Having this fair value gap, having a major fair value gap in this area is not commendable. The price should not do that. So I believe today the market will be buying, and from the weekly perspective we may buy a little bit and then continue with this sell-off that we're seeing here. But we'll have to wait and see what the market is doing. Yeah, we are seeing the buy side of the previous week is here, the sell side of the previous week is here, and we saw that the sell side liquidity of the previous week was taken out, but also we were trading above the buy side liquidity of the previous month. But also we were trading on the buy side liquidity of the previous month. Yeah, so the market has decided to push. Yeah, if you pull my fib retracement tool, this is the buy side of the previous month, and this is the sell side of the previous month, and right now we are at the 50% mark. We are on the 50% mark. So the market closing bullish this week is highly possible. So switching over to the 4 hour. We are seeing that we have this invalid. So just a moment, I want to see where this is coming from. Actually, in the 1 hour, we see the market has created a valid sell liquidity, but if this market continue buying and pushing forward and closes above this area, we may see if this market continues and close from where the order was created, this OB over here, if it closes above, we may see the market come and retest this level and then continue pushing up. That's a possibility. That's a long-term possibility, but we'll have to wait and see what the market is doing. So on the 1 hour, also we are seeing from the daily also, just before I forget, the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity are intact. Asian session did not take out the sell side liquidity for the previous day, neither did it take the buy side liquidity of the previous day. So switching over to the 4 hour, yes, switching over to the 1 hour. In 1 hour we see when the Asian session, during the Asian session, that bull momentum, we were unable to continue pushing and closing above this OB over here. So for me to take buys, there's an invalid buy over this area over here, from this demand zone over here. We came in and got into the supply, but we never managed to close above it. So to look for buys, I need the break of this supply over here. I need the break of this supply. The market can break the area and do a retrace and continue pushing up. It may do something like that. This is what I will be keen to see. Yeah, something like that. I will be willing to take buys like that. For the sales, I'm willing to sell. As we are seeing here. Oh yeah, as I was saying, you're seeing this supply over here holding the price down. You're having on the 4 hour, you're seeing there's a clean traffic to the upside, and coinciding with the daily, you're seeing that the market is more likely to continue pushing high to close this fair value gap, since it has a swing low point of interest there. To be very unlikely if the market forms this fair value gap without forming things. So on the 1 hour, we're seeing at the break of this 1 hour, market breaks. That will be a beautiful buy, continuing buy. But be wary of this position over here, as the market may close this gap and continue. It may close the gap and then fall. That means we're seeing that a 3 count was established from the supply, but because of this demand zone over here, we're not going to sell. As you can see, the market is reversing. In the 15 minutes, the market is reacting off this buy entry. I never managed to execute this trade. Why? Because it is not my trading time or my trading session. As you can see, the other day on Friday, if you saw the breakdown, took a buy from this position, gave around 5 pips, and it was not my trading session. So what I should have done, I should have waited for my session. And during the pre-London, we had a beautiful sell over this area, and with a stop loss above this, you would have secured your beautiful 10 pips at that level. Yes, so that was up, and yeah, this burned me, but I managed to recover with a buy from around this area, the lower time frame 5 minutes. So we are seeing the market is continuing pushing up. You're still on the Asian session. Yeah, since the London Open is at around this level, Frankfurt Open in this level. Let me switch over my lens to the London session. You can see, yeah, 8 o'clock, pre-London 7 o'clock. Yeah. So that was up, and yeah, be careful about this market. As for me, I'll be looking for the textbook, but be wary of the textbook, since you know at the back of our head this market is looking bullish in order to continue to close this gap that is on the higher time frame. So there was this level that was left behind here, and if the market comes to this area during my London session, I'm willing to take this trade. I have made a little bit of some analysis, and I've seen that I'll be trading from pre-London. If I see a beautiful trade from pre-London, to New York. Yes, that will be 8 hours. But trading from this level to this level, that's the 8 hours. So now just waiting for the market to do what it wants to do. And yeah, so but when you come into this level, look for a trade from this level to this level. Since I've seen this time frame is good, this 8-hour time frame is good for me to look for an entry. Yeah, that's some of the changes or some rules that I've come to change. Yeah, so the change some of my rules. Yeah, with that, have a beautiful day. Remember, don't break your own rules. It is your own rules. For me, I also came with a major change, and the change was follow the crane traffic rule. Also, I said something like I need this to happen in order for me to take a trade. Those are the two major things that I need to keep in my head. Follow the clean traffic rule, and if nothing happens out, do not scale to the lower time frame. Also, I need this to happen in order for me to take a trade. I need the market to do like a position like this one. I need the market to break this area, do a retest in order for me to take a sell, take a buy, whatever. I need to wait for this to happen for me to take a trade. Boss. Clearly defining my rules. 2 at most. That's all. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.